Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here is Mini. We have four cats at home. So when this brand contacted me to send me this one, this cat litter rubber to try it out, I had to say yes because this one, it is one of the good ones. It is automatic. You can actually manage everything with the app. I'll show you that in a few seconds. I'll show you kind of like a close-up as well. This one is about 30 inches, but it has a wide opening. And by the way, this canopy, if you don't want it, you can remove it, which I think it is pretty cool, but also it gives them some privacy, when they're doing number one or number two, it gives them some privacy. It also comes with its own cat litter that you can actually get, you can actually buy, but it works with any other clamping litter. Don't use crystals, don't use the wooden chips, don't use the sand. Just make sure that you have the clamping one, which is going to work better with this one. You can manage everything with the app. You have anti-odor control, you have manual cleaning, you have auto cleaning. It comes with two sensors as well, so that is really good for when your cats, not cars, are going inside. This one is not going to clean, it's not going to do anything, it's not going to rake. It's just going to make sure that if the cats are in, nothing is going to happen. But again, super easy to assemble because you're going to get it done in about like 5 minutes or less, I think so. And then you put the canopy if you want, try it out. And this one, it's also rechargeable, so you can move it in between places if you want. Right now it's plugged to the wall, but with 100% battery. And then if not, you can just move it places, you can move it rooms. If you have foster cats, if you have multiple cats, you can move it all the way as well. Let's take a closer look and what's going with you. So a couple things about this one. Number one, it comes with this cleaning mat. So when they're stepping out, all that litter is going to get trapped right here. So that is where you're going to put this one. It also comes with its own cat litter. As I was just telling you before, you can use whatever you want, but this is the one that comes with. You have a max level inside and a minimum level also as well, like a line that you kind of like gotta put inside. And then again, this canopy, you can take it out if you want. Right here on the sides, you're gonna find some clips, so super easy to unclip if you don't like it. QR code right there, you install the app. I'll show you that in a few seconds, but also comes with the instruction manual, a cleaning brush, and also a scoop to scoop it out if you don't want to clean it. But once that you want to clean it, this one is where everything is going to be. By the way, it also comes with replacement bags, so you're going to use these bags over here, and for cleaning purposes, everything is going to be down here, kind of like the number ones or twos are going to be there. So you remove that bag whenever it's full, clean it out, refill the bag, and you're all set. Let me show you the app for a little bit. So right here, you can see it says the battery percentage, 100%, as I told you. You also have right here the status. You also have the toilet visits. You can actually manage that by cat. You have the manual clean. You have the deodorization, and you also have some kind of like cleaning history and trying to make sure that your cats are going. But then let me actually do a manual cleaning so you can see this one better. I'm going to get a closer look because I already put some fake number ones over there. What is Sassy doing here? But I put some fake number ones over there so you can check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna hit manual clean, and it's gonna be super easy and fast. You can see that the rake is already moving. It's gonna go forward, then it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna go backwards, and then it's gonna stop back again, and it's gonna go full forwards, kind of like lifting out that other part over there, which is gonna be the one that is gonna manage all that waste. You can see how it's pushing all those number ones. That's how, like I told you, it stops, goes back, and everything it's managed in about, I want to say like 2 to 3 minutes, no more than that, the whole cleaning process. And remember, if your cats are inside being curious, or if your cats are kind of like checking out or something like that, it won't move, it won't clean. So that makes sure that your cat are good and sound, safe and sound. So let's actually speed up this process a little bit. So this one finished already. Last but not least, you have all this waste over here, right here on the bag. So you just need to remove the bag, kind of like take everything outside. This one is not even full. So since this one comes with a deodorization effect, you can leave them there if you want for like a day or something like that, and then clean it out whenever it's full. This one really convenient to have, totally wireless, also rechargeable with or without the canopy. 30 inches, you can put some clamping cat litter here, and this one with the app is going to take control of everything.